Hey guys, Russell Liebowitz here with Recruitemy, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you how you can make money for your recruiting business at scale using Instagram and other social media platforms that you may not be using right now. And here's the best part. A lot of recruiters are not using these strategies. Why? I have no idea. So it's unique, it's different, and it's really untapped. And if you don't believe me, go ahead and take a look at my case studies page. All my members here, over 84 members, use these strategies to scale their boutique recruiting agencies. And a lot of these members are brand new to recruiting. They're working a 9 to 5, they're moonlighting, and they're using these strategies with Instagram and other social media platforms to make a lot of money. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Here is Instagram, my Instagram account, and there is my daughter, coincidentally enough, thriving in college at University of Alabama. But what you'd want to do is come into the search button right here, search bar, and type in any keyword that would fit your niche. So for this example, we'll go ahead and type in nurse practitioner. I have a lot of members who are in the healthcare space. Sorry about that, kind of a gross image there of an eyeball. But let's scroll down and I'll show you how to use this strategy to get nurse practitioners, to get candidates lined up and build a strong candidate pipeline that you can start marketing at mass to hospital and clinics and healthcare systems. So for example, let's click on this person right here. Handle name is nurse.polyc. And as you can see here, just finished up first week of new grad RN orientation. So this would be a new grad, someone that you can maybe pro market to healthcare systems that are looking to bring in new people, which a lot are. And what you'd want to do here is just reach out to this person. So there's two strategies here. Number one, you could download Instagram on your phone if you haven't done that already, and you will have the ability to send a video message to this person on Instagram or a voice message, which is different. It's not what everyone else does. Everyone else is sending direct messages through traditional text, but I like to do voicemails, voice messages, or doing video messages. But let me show you where the magic really comes into play. So this is the software system that our members use right now. And what's so powerful about this is you now have the ability to integrate not only Instagram, but multiple social media platforms by clicking right here and connecting them to your applicant tracking system or CRM. Okay. And I'll take it a step further. And then you go into your marketing tab here. And as you can see, you have the ability to integrate or sync up Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, and Twitter, which are really the main platforms. And we're soon going to be introducing TikTok as well. And you can automate your marketing efforts to a ton of people on Instagram, on Facebook, and you can schedule your messaging to go out with one click of a button on automation. So instead of you having to toggle between all these different social media platforms, you can do that with this CRM that we've created for you and our members right here. Another feature that I love about keeping organized and being able to know when a new lead is replying to you, whether it's a candidate, a hot candidate, or a hot lead, is our unified messaging platform here under conversations. So instead of you having to check Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all your different platforms on your phone, you might be busy, you might be out doing meetings, grocery shopping, whatever. This spot right here, all your responses, all your messaging will come into this unified message section within your CRM. So you can just contact and reply to any one of those leads that come in through those multiple social media platforms. Really efficient way of conducting business versus having to toggle back and forth and possibly running the risk of missing a really important reply. So that's how you pretty much can generate a lot of great leads, especially candidate leads at mass through using Instagram. And again, this is just one example. You can go into Instagram and type in any keyword that you want that is specific to your niche and be able to scale out a really strong marketing effort. So once these leads come in and you're having dialogue or conversation with them, or if a lead comes in and there's really not much interaction on their side of the house, what you then want to do is create some type of automation workflow that will go out to these leads in the background while you're doing other things. This is working 24/7 on autopilot while you're sleeping. And what I mean by this is within the first 5 minutes, it's critical that you get back in touch with the lead. All right. So maybe you're busy at 3 p.m. on a Monday doing something and a lead comes in, you don't see it. Well, all you have to do is create a new workflow back here. All right. In our CRM. And we call this one, we already have them preset for you. As you can see right here, we've developed these workflows that we know work and convert. So we already have workflows built in and installed that we can put right into your ATS. And we've done all the dirty work for you. So we know that these workflows convert. So now you have the ability to trigger out an SMS text message, an email, a voicemail drop because studies show in the first 5 minutes when you get a lead, it's critical to reach back out to them in 5 minutes. That's a hotter lead. They're ready to engage with you and they might be ready to buy from you. So letting more than 5 minutes go by without getting back in touch with that lead can be a very risky. And so we've created a workflow here called the Fast Five. Let me go down to that and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, recipe Fast Five right here. So you simply, I'll give you a preview what this looks like. So you just click this button right here, and here it is, guys. So here is how this workflow would work. You create a trigger, which is basically you're telling the CRM a lead comes in. When a lead comes in through Instagram, I want these series of events to occur. So the first thing it'll do is it'll create an opportunity within a pipeline within your CRM. So you might have different pipelines set up. This pipeline could be called the Instagram pipeline, Instagram candidate pipeline, for example. And then you have an email that goes out maybe in 5 or 10 minutes or an hour. You can set the cadence of it and you simply put your email right here. And then you can have the SMS text go out to that same prospect over, a period of time. So maybe you send the email. This is what I do. I send an email and then I back it up with a text that would tell them to check their email in case of spam or junk. And then you can put in here, wait for reply or 2 minutes. And did they reply to SMS? You can do like an artificial intelligence of a path of yes or no. So if they replied to your SMS text, then this would be the series of events that would happen next. And ultimately, we're trying to drive these prospects to a booking call with you, a consultation call, a Zoom call, or a phone call. And if they didn't reply to your SMS text, that's okay. We can then tell the system to direct dial them, and you'll be notified if they pick the phone up, send a voicemail drop, wait 1 day, or do another action. So really impressive stuff here, guys. A lot of automation that you can put into your recruiting business that'll help you work at scale, work more efficiently, and you can do other things while this is working for you. This literally does the work of a sales team and a recruiting team. Hope that helps, guys.